My name is Glenn Pattison. I'm a General Manager with LV Valenbeck in Jarrow, Tyne and Wear. Valenbeck are a manufacturer of export packing materials, timber materials, cases, crates, pallets, and we also produce cardboard cartons, as well as offering bespoke solutions and export packing services, both on and off-site. Our USP as LV Valenbeck is the quality of product that we put out and the fact that we work to very, very short lead times with a lot of our customers. We operate a two-shift system, so we've got a day shift and a night shift, which allows us to respond quickly to client requirements at short notice. We started looking at automatic crosscuts because the business profile changed. We were primarily a bespoke solutions provider in terms of packaging materials and logistics. And we made the conscious effort to move into other business sectors such as the renewables, the energy sector and the automotive sector, which meant we had the need to produce multiple cases, multiple packing products, which changed the business profile and meant that we needed to reduce our cutting times to improve the productivity of the business. Previously, we had some old hand-operated, non-automated crosscuts, which were very, very good for short runs. Moving on to more regular and larger volume cuts, we saw the need for the automated crosscut to reduce our labour times on all the jobs. We've been operating with the Salvador since May this year. It's now August, and we have seen a significant increase in productivity on the factory floor. We currently have two operators working on the machine full time. We have a day shift run and a night shift run. We have already seen significant savings in terms of time and repeated cutting of some of our timber sections, particularly in cutting of blocks, whereby we've reduced our overall cutting time by 2/3 with regular runs using the automated Salvador as opposed to using the hand-operated saws that we used previously. The operators found adjusting from the old style saw to the Salvador very easy. The input system for the information is very, very intuitive. It is largely based around the format that we used before, which was an Excel-based system. So the operators adapted very, very quickly and find it extremely user-friendly, which was one of the reasons that we actually decided to go for the Salvador over competitors' equipment. So the key benefits of the automated crosscut saw, other than the obvious one of time saving, which I've mentioned previously, is the possibility for future development. We can bolt extras onto the machine, we can upgrade the spec of the machine, but also one thing we're very interested in is the possibility to transfer the data seamlessly from a PC into the system's operating system, so we can reduce the cutting times again. So we would definitely recommend the Salvador crosscut from Daltons Watkins. We have already seen significant time savings in the few short months that we've been using the machine. In terms of the sales pitch and the delivery in relation to the sales pitch, we found that the system worked well. The information was very clear and concise that we received, and the installation team worked extremely well. Particularly on site, Sam and his team did a great job. And as the company continues to expand over the coming years, we would certainly look to have a second machine installed and have Andy back give us the pitch and have Sam and his team come back and carry out the install and hopefully continue to aid the growth of the company in the future.